One AI agent just booked a flight, checked the weather, and rescheduled a meeting, all without a single human touching a keyboard. This isn't science fiction. This is what happens when you combine MCP with LangGraph. And most developers have no idea this is even possible right now. Here's the problem. Traditional AI chatbots are dumb. They can answer questions. That's it. They can't actually do anything in the real world. They can't pull data from your CRM, update a spreadsheet, or send an email on your behalf. They're stuck inside a text box, pretending to be useful. But what if you could give an AI agent actual tools, real connections to real software? That's exactly what MCP does. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a universal plug system for AI. Instead of hard-coding every integration, MCP lets your AI agent connect to any tool through a standardized interface. Databases, APIs, file systems, browsers, all of it. One protocol to rule them all. Now here's where it gets wild. One agent with tools is powerful. But what about a team of agents, each with their own specialty, working together on a single task? That's where LangGraph comes in. And what these agents can pull off together will genuinely surprise you. LangGraph is a framework that lets you build multi-agent systems as graphs. Each node in the graph is an agent. Each edge is a decision point. One agent researches, another one writes, a third one reviews. They pass information between each other, make decisions, and even loop back to retry when something goes wrong. It's like assembling a digital team where every member knows exactly what to do. Picture this. You give the system one simple command. Plan a product launch for next Tuesday. The first agent breaks that task into subtasks. The second agent researches your competitors. The third agent drafts the marketing copy. A fourth agent schedules the social media posts. And a supervisor agent watches over all of them, making sure nobody goes off the rails. No human in the loop, no babysitting, just results. But here's the part most people get wrong. They try to build one super agent that does everything. That approach falls apart fast. The context window fills up. The agent gets confused. It starts hallucinating. It forgets what it was doing 3 steps ago. The multi-agent approach solves this by giving each agent a narrow, focused job. Smaller context, better accuracy, faster execution. And MCP is the secret weapon that makes all of this practical. Without MCP, you'd spend weeks writing custom integrations for every single tool your agents need. With MCP, you plug in a server, and your agent instantly knows how to use that tool. There are already MCP servers for GitHub, Slack, Google Drive, Postgres, file systems, web browsers, and dozens more. The ecosystem is growing every single week. So how do you actually build this? It's simpler than you think. You define your agents in LangGraph. You assign each one a role and a set of MCP tools. You draw the graph, meaning which agent talks to which, and in what order. Then you add conditional edges so the system can make smart routing decisions based on the output of each step. The real magic is in the state management. LangGraph keeps a shared state object that all agents can read and write to. So when the research agent finds key data, the writing agent can immediately access it. No messy file passing, no API calls between agents. Just clean, shared state flowing through the graph. And if one agent fails, the graph can route to a fallback, or loop back and retry with different parameters. This kind of resilience is something you simply cannot get with a single agent setup. In production, things break. This system is built to handle that. Now, the biggest mistake people make when building these systems is overcomplicating the graph. Start small. 2 or 3 agents, 1 supervisor. Get that working first. Then add complexity layer by layer. The teams building production-grade systems at real companies all started with a simple loop and iterated from there. Nobody ships a 20-agent system on day 1. The future of AI isn't one giant model doing everything. It's small, specialized agents coordinating like a well-run team. MCP gives them hands to interact with the world. LangGraph gives them a brain to coordinate. Together, they turn AI from a chatbot into a workforce. This technology is available right now, open source, free to use. The only question is whether you'll build with it or watch someone else do it first. Thank you.